Hello everyone, welcome to Budget Treasures YouTube channel. I am so excited, you guys. I am back. Listen, I have missed you guys. If this is your very first time watching, welcome. But if you are back for another video, if you are a part of the gym squad and you already know me and have a relationship with me and kind of have been conversing with me on my videos, I'm back. And I missed you guys so much. Let me tell you, I have been away for probably about a month and a half, possibly 2 months, because there's just been a lot going on. And I want to be able to give you guys an update on my life of what is going on and why I have been away. So if you care to hear about that, please make sure that you stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm gonna try to make this video very short. I think that it's important for me once I hop back on to give you guys an update about what has been going on, because there's been a lot that has been going on, let me tell you. Some of you guys probably already know because you kind of heard me talking about it before I kind of took a leave of absence, if you will. So I just want to let you guys know like where I'm at and what's going on and what you will see on my channel moving forward, because I want to make sure that I continue to provide you guys quality videos on budgeting, and now something else that I'm going to be having on my video as well. So let's go ahead and get into it. If you are not subscribed, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button. I talk about all things finance with the emphasis on budgeting, paying off debt, and saving money. I am all things finance. I love money. I love talking about money. I love it all, honey. Okay, when we talking about getting your life right with the moolah. So I wrote down notes, okay, because I don't want to be all over the place. So if you see me looking down, that's because I want to make sure that I am sticking to the conversation. Okay, so first and foremost, I have moved. If you realize, my background is different. It took me a while to come back because I was very self-conscious, if you will, about my background. Right before I moved, I was really getting my YouTube space together. I was in my office and I had a special space where I was going to do my FaceTime videos. I had a special space for my tabletop videos and all that good stuff, right? So when I moved, and I'll explain to you guys where I move and all that, I was just like, oh my gosh, like I have to have the right background. I have to make sure that my video is aesthetically pleasing, and you know, all that stuff that us YouTubers really try to make sure that while we're providing you great content, we're also providing you something that's good to look at, right? So I had to come to myself just to say, listen, girl, you are in a season of not intermission, but you are in a season where you are transitioning from one place to the other, and it's important for you to not only share what you're going through, but show what you're going through, so that encourages someone else to know that, you know what, we're gonna make this thing work and we got to do it. And so that's why I just said, you know what, I'm stressing myself out trying to find the perfect background. And listen, this is where I'm at in my life. So let's get into it. So you see my background, okay? This is my little brother's room. I am living with my little brother and his wife and his kids, his family. It's me and my daughter. I moved from the house that I was living in, which was sold, and now I am living with him in order to save money to purchase me a home. So that is the reason why I'm here. And so I am living in his game room. Well, I'm sleeping in his game room, but I'm living with him in his home. And so that's why you see a picture. You probably don't see the face, but that's a picture of Drake. And then this is his computer section. And then I'm gonna give it to you raw. Yeah, I'm sleeping on the couch right now. And then my daughter is upstairs as well. But we're making it work. So I could have moved to an apartment while I save money, yada yada yada, but I decided, you know, I don't think that that would be a very good decision to make if I want to be able to save the you know, a lot of money to be able to move myself forward and where I want to be. I live in California, so if you don't know, it's very expensive to live in California. Okay, very expensive. In LA, you can find a place to rent. Maybe the lowest would be like $1,500 to $2,000 a year. I'm sorry, I wish. A month. So basically, I was living in my mother's house. For all you guys who don't know and could be thinking like, well, you know, I was living in my mother's house. I was paying her mortgage, and we have decided, well, she decided, but we decided to sell the house. And so coupled with that agreement, I am now finding myself a home. And so while I'm doing that, I'm living with my younger brother, which is about an hour outside of LA. Very different for me. Also in my transition, I realized that I'm not good with change. It's very good to learn yourself while you're going through different things in life. And I think that's another reason why it took me so long to come back to YouTube, because I'm not good with change, y'all. I thought I was the boss. Like, give me a change, I could do it. But no, I'm not. And so now that I realize that about myself, I can take proper steps to combat that whenever change does happen again for me. So that is why you see the background looking like this. And I'm not even gonna try to change it. You know, this is what it is. This is where I'm at. And you know, either you're gonna watch my channel or you're not. It's more important for you to what's more important is the content that I give, and that's with any channel. I watch some people's channel where they do their budgets on their floor. They do their cash stuffing videos on the floor. I mean, the background ain't all that great, but they're entertaining, and I like the things that they're saying, and sometimes they are even educating me and encouraging me and things like that. So my number one goal is to make sure that the content that I'm giving is something that is going to teach somebody and somebody will want to watch. So if you don't like the background, come back in a few months when I have purchased my home, and then my background will be looking nice. Okay. All right. So next, I got through a lot. So with me moving, my budget looks different, you guys. I will share with you on the next video how different my budget looks. It is amazing. If you follow me on Instagram at budget_treasures_, you will have already seen that my budget looks different. You know, I had some naysayers who were like, that's not a real budget. And, you know, people say stuff, but we all know that as long as you're receiving money, you should be budgeting your money so that you're not broke. So I will explain to you guys in my next video, when I'm actually completing the budget, how my budget looks, because it's, like I said, it's very, very, very different. It's good, but it's very different. And I think this is a significant time for you guys to really tune in to see how I do my budget, because this is how I'm preparing to purchase my home. Okay. And then next on my list here, I only have 2 more things to talk about this video. We've been filming for 8 minutes. Okay, so another update, which is kind of like an update, not really, but kind of. I am now an Etsy shop owner. So I sell my own custom or premium custom cash envelopes, which I don't even have. I'm gonna get them really quick because I want you guys to see them. Okay, I'm back. So I am now an Etsy shop owner, and I sell the, I now have a ring light too, y'all. So I think I'm fancy. But I don't know if you guys can see the color, but I now sell cash envelopes, the vinyl ones. I really love these envelopes. They are so cute. So these are the ones that I have on my Etsy shop. And then I'm also selling the zipper envelopes as well. These are just so cute. So these I'm selling and using for myself. I also have some other products that will be debuting in my shop the next time I open it. And so that's another thing that I'm spending all my time doing, creating, trying to give you guys a product that you'll love. And so you guys did know that, but I just want to remind you that is something else that's taking up a lot of my time. And the last update is oh, and as far as my Etsy shop goes, I only open it for now 2 times a month. I open it 2 weekends per month. And so I just opened this past weekend. I closed the shop already, and I'll be opening again on August the 28th, I believe it is. So if you're interested in shopping with Budget Treasures, the shop is coming soon. I'm out of breath, y'all. Okay, so the next update is the my filming schedule. So I will be uploading videos. My goal is at least 3 times per week. I was uploading videos 4 times a week, but I think in the space that I'm in right now, I probably can go back to 4 times, but right now I'm just going to start with 3 videos per week. So the videos that I'm going to upload are going to be budget videos, check-in videos on my budget, cash stuffing envelope videos, or stuffing envelope videos, and then another series that I'm going to start, which is called the Homework series. Totally am super excited about this series. It's not homework as in I got homework to do from school, which I do need to get back in school so I can get my bachelor's degree. I only have a couple more classes left, y'all. Cheer me on, because we're gonna do this. We're gonna do it. But Homework series is gonna be my journey in purchasing a home. So homework, it is work purchasing a home. It's a lot of work, and I want to be able to provide you guys my journey so that maybe there's things that you can pick up or learn from this series that you can do yourself if you're looking to purchase your home now, or if you are looking to purchase it later, but at least you would have seen my journey and learned some of the things that I'm going through. So that series is hopefully going to start next week. That's my plan, so that we can just start going through the process with me. I have already started looking for homes, so it's probably not going to be every single week, but it might be. Whenever I have some type of update, I will be sure to bring that to you guys. But that is it. I'm so happy to be back, and I miss you guys, and I'm so excited to start. Well, I've still been budgeting, but I haven't been filming myself budget. But I'm so excited to be filming my budget again, and just to, converse with you guys. I did miss you guys. I haven't even been on Instagram that consistent either, but my goal is to get back to consistency. So thank you guys so much for tuning in on this video. If you found it entertaining, helpful, I know I was just only talking about me, but if you found it, please give this video a like. If you found it to be entertaining, I didn't finish my sentence, or if you found it to be a likable video, please hit the like button, and then also make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed as of yet, and then also make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you know anytime I upload a video, especially for the homework series, y'all, because it's gonna be good. I'm gonna be bringing you guys with me. I might even go live with you guys. I'd rather go live on YouTube than Instagram. Okay, I digress. So that is it for this video. Please join me in my next video so you can see how different my budget is and how we will be moving forward in that light. Well, thank you guys so very much for stopping and partying with your girl tonight. Have yourself a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day, night, whenever you are watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Go be great. Peace out.